We're back on Born Before 64 with such interesting scientist and extremely expert person in marketing that have taken this product to a new level. And we're talking about Raaker. And Neil, I want to ask you a question. Tell me a little bit about where you founded the name Raaker and why that name.
Well, there was a bit of a contest in the company. We were trying to figure out what to name it. And the five of us who are the principals just literally spit out a lot of names which would reflect what the product is, which is a supplement to support healthy look of legs, to reduce the appearance of spider veins, and also increase the blood flow and make you more comfortable, actually make your legs feel lighter. That's what the data and that's what the clinical studies show. So, you know, whenever you're naming a product, one of the first things you have to do is check to make sure the name hasn't been used by other companies. So we did go through quite a number of names, but actually this was our favorite, and so we named it Apteka Naturel.
And what does Raaker actually do to your spider veins and to varicose veins? Because does it work on varicose veins?
It definitely works. I was first time introduced to diasmin, which is actually the main ingredient in this product, the only one ingredient. I was introduced to this product many years ago at the international show in Geneva, Vitafood show, by French and Swiss scientists. This product been on the market in many years, and for some reason they didn't try to bring diasmin to United States. I was trying to get some of the product just for testing. So just last year, FDA approved diasmin for United States, but not as a raw material, as a finished product. So basically this product we purchased from Europe. The product, like I said, was originated in France, studied by French scientists, and it was manufactured, the tablets actually were manufactured in Germany.
Right now.
And because this product just was approved in the beginning of last year for use in the United States, we were also lucky we got it. And I cannot say we were the first company who brought it, but definitely the second one who brought real diasmin to the United States market.
Now you have a lot of bloggers that love this product. Tell me a little bit about that.
Well, Raaker is very popular. I think that, and I'll just go out on a limb here because I'm not a woman, but I do know that certainly women do not like having veins that show, and they like to wear short dresses, especially here in California, or bathing suits.
And we try to hide them.
And we try to hide them, or you try to hide them.
Right.
And this product really is very beneficial to the woman. Besides the aesthetics, it increases the blood flow, which is its main purpose, is to allow those veins through your legs to breathe, essentially, allow that blood flow to happen, and that creates really less of appearance of those spider veins. Plus, it just feels good.
Well, and especially if you're on your feet all day, or you're working with little kids, like we did yesterday with my grandchild.
Right.
Most women that have had a baby, if they didn't have varicose veins, they have them afterwards because of the weight of the baby, because you're on your feet, because of the swelling, because your veins do whatever. I'm going to try it because I do have varicose veins, unfortunately, and I'm on my feet a lot. So if it helps, that would be great. I would love to try that part. Let me ask you one of the questions that most women in my age group, I was
mid-30s.
Yeah, right. Thanks. The menopause years are very important, and a lot of people have a really tough time going through menopause. Unfortunately, I went through menopause at age 35 because I had a hysterectomy. And so it was really tough for me as a 35-year-old to be having hot sweats and all the other things that happen with menopause. What does this new supplement actually do, Neil? And it's brand new, am I right?
Absolutely brand new. Kathryn, we're so proud and excited to release this product to the public. This is a combination of ingredients that Ed will talk about, but we are the first company in the United States to release this. It's very, very different than anything on the market, and we believe it's going to help women in a very, very big way. Ed, I'd like you to talk a little bit about how it works.
Before we make a decision to bring this product on the market, we did very intensive research
Right.
for the problem which women in a certain age got into. And I worked with a different product before in this area of human health, and most of the product on the market today based on herbal product, most common is black cohosh extract, there are a couple more. And they're working only in one direction. They're trying to reduce the hot flashes.
Right, which are really sometimes a pain in the knee, you know what? They really are, especially if you are out somewhere and you get a hot flash. You don't know what to do. So it helped that?
But when we got in contact with this company, who Israeli company, Raaker, it's a very good known company, very innovative company. They're known mostly by the lycopene tomato extract, very high potency, which using in different area of human health as a very powerful carotenoid. But they went much further, and the product they developed have a history of over 17, I believe, years of studies and research. And what they did, they combined three powerful ingredients. The lycopene, which comes from very specific technology and the most pure extract from tomato.
Really?
And they also included in this product genistein extract, highly purified, 98%, and also vitamin D3 in very effective dose. And what the intensive science, and I think it was a couple of hundred women involved in this clinical studies, trials for many years, they came to a conclusion this combination helps women in three ways. It works for bone health, it works to reduce the hot flashes, it helps vitamin D in combination with the lycopene helps to absorb calcium, and also help with breast health.
Now let me ask this question, especially no matter if you're in the situation that I'm in, because you still go through periods of menopause through your years, right? And women, especially at my age, which I'm not afraid to tell you how old I am, I'm going to be 69, we have a calcium problem. And if we can't absorb calcium, does this help with that as well?
Right, just to clarify, the ingredients in here help the absorption of the calcium so that it
will be absorbed into your system.
Absorbed in your body.
Okay.
So, I mean, the real benefit to this is, besides making you more comfortable during this difficult period, it also is working on your behalf against osteoporosis and all of those things that everyone worries about. And so this is a very, very good product that, as I mentioned, we're very excited to have released this.
So give your website out, please, so people can...
Our website is www.aptekanaturel.com, and it's Naturel.com, and if you misspell Naturel, you'll still get to the site.
That's right. And we'll be right back on Born Before 64 after these short messages.